on the vlog again. Just can't wait to do a vlog again. The life I love is making vlogs for my friends, and I can't wait to do a vlog again. Doing a vlog again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to do a vlog again. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Top Vloggers. As always, I am High and Mighty Joe, hanging out with
your co-host, the lovely Cat.
And boy, have we got another vlog for you today. Today we are headed to Trucks and Tunes. It should be fun and exciting. I can't wait. We're gonna try some food, look at some cool trucks. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yep.
Aaron's in school, so let's get going. Yes, this right here, this is what we're dealing with. Trucks and Tunes, food, trucks, live music. The second and the fourth Tuesday of each month. This is the very last one that they will be having for now. Hopefully it will come back, but Kat and I are excited to be here. So let's start showing you all the great things that they have. Well, we are here at the Lifeguard Arena, and the Henderson Silver Knights are practicing a little bit. Just thought I'd give you guys a little glimpse of what's going on over here. We just thought we'd stop by and take a look since we were so close. We didn't expect them to be open, but doors were unlocked, and so we walked on in, and here we are. Boy, dang, there goes the nose. A little too high. A little too high on that one. Oh, I think he scored on that one. Yeah, you got that one too. Oh, that one was blocked. Oh, here they go. I have to admit, I do love hockey. I always have enjoyed it. I don't know as much about it as I probably should, but I definitely enjoy it. That is for sure. Well, this is really interesting, my dear. All three of these hearts are painted. This one says, Las Vegas honors St. Jude, an affair of the art. Miguel Rodriguez is the sculptor of this piece right here. And the creative artist is Reagan Mendenhall. And the heart name is Wings to Fly.
Oh yeah, it's got a little butterfly wings painted on it.
I have to admit, I like it. And then they got, and then they got other ones as well. Here's another one. Can you read the plaque on this side, my dear?
The same sculptor did this one, so it's Miguel Rodriguez. And its creative artist is Roberto Rico, and it's Mother Earth is its name.
Huh. I have to admit I like that one. I have to admit I think I like the first one better. And then we'll take a look here at this third one. And the sculptor is, again, Miguel Rodriguez. And the creative artist is K.D. Matheson. Heart name, Angel. The heart is like an angel, pulsing to the cosmic songs of the universe, quietly
omnipotent,
pure and
vigilance.
It
Blesses us with the gift of life.
Well, there you go.
They're to honor St. Jude.
I like that. That is
St. Jude's Hospital.
that is really something. I have to admit. I don't know this one. I can't decide between this one and the first one as which one is my favorite.
I like the first one a little bit better than this one. This is my second.
This is the other side of the first one that we couldn't get from.
No, this is the second one.
Oh, the second one. This is the other side of the second one. And then this is the other side of
The first one.
the first one. Yeah, I have to admit, I agree with you, my dear. I think I like the number.
You like the number 3 second?
Yeah, the number 1, then the number 3, then the number 2.
Yes, that would be the way I would put them.
And they got this cool little playground area, my dear.
Yeah, Aaron would absolutely love that.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to bring him back down here sometime. This is real soft and mushy, the ground.
Looks like wood chips, but feels more like tires.
And then they got these little mist containers over here, it looks like. I assume.
Oh yeah. So it doesn't get you wet.
And then this is right over here by the
By the heart.
hearts. And then they have this little section over here. I wonder what this section is over here, my dear. It looks like it has seats. Some kind of outdoor seating area. We'll check it out. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's an outdoor theater where they would have plays or concerts or something like that. But yeah, that's a cool little place that they have right here too. I definitely like this. I would love to come down here for a concert one day. That'd be super awesome. And I didn't even notice this the first time I walked by. Look at that really cool mural over there. You like that, my dear?
That is very neat.
Yeah.
Nice and colorful.
Yeah.
Musical instruments.
So obviously this with it being right here next to the stage and everything, I would assume that this is a place for concerts.
Yeah.
So,
Because if you look, the stage is not very big.
right?
Wouldn't be big enough for a play.
It might be big enough for a play, but it definitely about the size for a nice small concert. Like you said, they have it canopied off to kind of block the sun. So yeah, definitely a cool place, and I love that mural. Well, this is the
Kata's frozen fruit blends.
this is the food truck.
Yes.
They were supposed to have another one. Apparently, they have normally two.
The other one had a family emergency, so they couldn't make it today. So this is the only food truck they have for the day.
So we're gonna come up here, and we're going to take a look at their menu, and we'll find out which one we want. Which one sounds good to eat, my dear?
Paradise.
I agree. That does sound good.
Well, let's give this a try.
And you decided to get the Paradise, is that correct?
That is correct. And it's nothing more than mangoes and pineapples. It's very tasty. It's nice and cold.
On a 86 degree day, 90 degree day.
Definitely something you'd want to try out.
Say it's refreshing and tasty.
Very tasty. I'm getting a slight bit more mango than I am pineapple, but I can still taste the pineapple in there. It's very good. They gave us a straw and 2 spoons in case we wanted to eat it with a spoon.
And you would recommend someone get this?
Oh yes, I would definitely recommend it. If you're in the area.
And how much did this cost?
This cost $8. So, not too pricey, but it's delicious.
The sky is so gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That is a piece of artwork in and of itself. Especially with the mountains and everything, that is absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. Well, that's going to do it for us here today, my dear. That is a beautiful sky.
That it is. Very pretty.
And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. You can take it one step further, ring that notification bell to keep you up to date on all the future adventures that we will be going on our channel. You can hit that like button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. I think that's going to do it for us here today. Top Vloggers